Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to install a SIM card in a consumer cellular home phone base, there is one important detail to check first. The Verve home phone base documentation does not list a user installable physical SIM as a part of the normal setup. The setup instruction focus on installing the batteries, antennas, charger, and home phone connection, while consumer cellular current home phone base materials identify the device as a cellular based unit. So you should not open the base looking for a removable SIM slot unless your specific model's documentation says it has one. So you need to try these. 1. Check the exact home phone base model before attempting SIM installation. 2. Review its model specific SIM instructions if your unit specifically support a removable SIM. 3. Do not open internal components or force a card into an unmarked slot. 4. Use consumer cellular SIM instructions for the specific model if a physical SIM is required. 5. Contact official customer support if any help needed.